This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the driver's side first. Park the car, remove keys, and lift the wiper arm up until it locks in service position. Place a soft cloth on the hood to prevent scratches. Next, locate the small clip where the blade meets the arm and depress it. This releases the blade. You'll feel a snap when it's free. Once the clip is released, slide the old blade down off the hook and set it aside for disposal while you prepare the new blade. You're halfway there. Take the new blade and orient it to match the old one, confirming the connector style fits the arm. Line the blades, slot over the hook, and push upward until you hear a clear click. This secures the clip. Tug gently to confirm it's locked. If your Focus has a rear wiper, do the same sequence there. Once both sides are secure, lower the arms carefully onto the hood to prevent sudden impact. Make sure rubber edges face the windshield, not the arm. You're finishing up now. Lower the wiper arms slowly and check that each blade sits flush against the glass and follows the windshield curve. Start the engine, run the washer fluid, and cycle through low and high speeds to look for streaks or chatter. If the blade skips, lifts, or squeaks, make sure the connector is fully engaged and the rubber is not twisted. Also inspect the arm's spring tension and blade curvature. If issues persist, swap the blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.